The Greek Prime Minister has apologized for the state's lack of preparedness to deal with a snowstorm that left thousands of people stranded in their cars in Athens. The unprecedented spectacle of elite forces being called in to evacuate motorists trapped in vehicles along the capital's main ring road left the government reeling as the damage was still being calculated in the wake of Monday's storm. With blackouts reported citywide, Kyriakos Mitsotakis acknowledged the public's anger. I would like to start with a personal and sincere apology to our fellow citizens who suffered for many hours trapped on Attiki Odos, he said in televised comments. There were mistakes and shortcomings which have to be fixed. An estimated 4,000 drivers were left stranded in cars for hours in sub-zero temperatures as the storm pounded Athens. Those who were not evacuated by the army sought refuge in Athens International Airport or struggled to walk to their homes through the snow. On Wednesday, scores of cars abandoned by owners remained stuck on the ring road, while power cuts in the wider Athens region affected thousands of households for a third day. Mitsotakis, echoing ministers, lay the blame for much of the debacle with the private operator of the Attiki Odos motorway system, which has been criticized for allowing cars onto its road, but he admitted it was also time to boost climate crisis defenses.